Hello friends, I am so excited to welcome you all to Indian Design League Elite Training Program. I hope this video finds you, your family and your loved ones strong, safe, healthy, optimistic and confident. हम हैं Indian Design League wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. I am fired up to be here with you today through this video. क्योंकि मुझे पता है that your heart and your service, your wisdom, your experience, your knowledge, your centeredness, your creativity is needed now more than ever. And I know that's why you joined us here in Indian Design League. और मुझे पता है कि आप सीखना चाहते हैं how to create, sell and serve online so that you can help more people and build a super से भी ऊपर की lifestyle which is incredibly abundant, creative and impactful by working at a place of your choice. और इसीलिए you are committed for this program. नॉलेज और विजडम का डेली डोज ही वो चीज है जिसके लिए आप यहाँ आइडियल के साथ हैं. And I know you are committed to gain through these comprehensive videos over the course. Have you ever wondered what should you be doing in your personal career and brand to reach and impact more people? How would you build your career and business in these challenging times? How do you earn more, serve more, inspire more? क्या आप अपनी ड्रीम्स को गोल्स में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं? Do you have a brilliant idea but you don't do anything about it? eBay जैसा आइडिया आपके पास भी था but you just missed out? Do you think you have a hidden talent but that's it? अभी ये कोविड शॉक दुनिया ने फेस किया. We are seeing a number of growing concerns and fear all over the market. Roads are less crowded, shops are quiet, events are being cancelled. Traditional brick and mortar firms of all sizes and sectors are unable to sell their goods and services to the extent they used to sell earlier prior to COVID-19 era. कई घरों में तो इनकम तक की स्कैरसिटी हो चुकी है. जो इस क्राइसिस में सबसे ज्यादा अफेक्ट हुए हैं वो हैं स्मॉल मीडियम बिजनेसेस एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस who are considered to be the backbone of industries and economic development in the country, and our brick and mortar training organization is no different. लेकिन जैसे हर क्राइसिस में होता है, there are two sides to it. You will either face danger or you will see a huge opportunity. Personally, we believe that in this crisis, you will face fear. It's either you forget everything and run, or you can face everything and rise. जो लोग सब कुछ फेस करके भी ऊपर उठते हैं are the ones जो कि सिचुएशंस को अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट करके अपना इन्फ्लुएंस और इनकम दोनों को ही एलिवेट कर देते हैं टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. अपॉर्चुनिटी का मतलब ये नहीं कि हाइकिंग योर प्राइसेस ऑन द बेसिक नेसेसिटीज व्हेन पीपल नीड इट. We are talking about being the savior in your market while everyone is fearful. In the times of chaos, every market needs a leader. Your market needs it too. Why not let that be you? In these pandemic times, digitalization is what helped us to keep moving forward and carve a beautiful path and future for all of us. Your own Indian Design League is a beautiful outcome and a bold step towards giving wings to all the career dreams. A step to complete the incomplete creation. A step towards the artistic community. A step to give a personalized learning space to all the designers which has emerged in these times of economic challenge. We believe that this is the best time for you guys as well as to think out of the box and redefine your career. It's time to ideate, design and learn. Always remember, you have something special inside you. कुछ ऐसा जो आप जानते हैं. Something you do. Maybe something you can teach. आप already एक एक्सपर्ट है. हम सब में कुछ स्पेशल है and if we use it right, we can change the world and become rich in the process. हमने भी यही सोचा. Changed the traditional way of thinking and took the academy online. started sharing the knowledge and wisdom which was gathered over the past 14 years of running a leading EdTech vocational training academy here in India successfully with all you experts and entrepreneurs so that you too can understand how to become a high performance influencer, learn the art of positioning, packaging and promoting your creativity and live the lifestyle that you always wanted to live. दोस्तों, अपने लॉन्ग टर्म गोल को छोटे छोटे शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स में कन्वर्ट करिए एंड देन ईच डे टेक अ बेबी स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. समटाइम्स यू विल विन, समटाइम्स यू विल फेल. ये नहीं कह सकते इट विल ऑलवेज बी अ केक वॉक. No, as any achievement worth adoring, it will be difficult like anything in the beginning. But then in future, when you will look back and see the past, you will be happy you took these bold steps, made some mistakes, learned from it and moved forward anyways. Friends, knowledge is a powerful tool. It can be used to make, market and launch your products and service offerings, increase desire and demand attraction. लेकिन सिर्फ नॉलेज ही काफी नहीं है. It is the skillful application of the right knowledge at the right time that can change your life. हमेशा याद रखिए, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is potential power. Only when you apply the information and knowledge that you have gained and take action will you get positive results. हर किसी के पास ऐसा कोई फ्रेंड पक्का होगा who says, I had the idea for an eBay. If only I had acted on it, I would have been a billionaire. ये लॉजिक सिंपली illogical और impractical है. eBay का सिर्फ आइडिया होने से ये कंफर्म नहीं हो जाता है कि that you will be actually creating eBay. What you do is what matters, not what you think or you say or in fact you plan. अगर आपको अपने आइडियाज वैल्यूएबल लगते हैं, then go try to sell it and see what you get for it. Not much is probably the answer until you actually start making something. आपका brilliant idea सिर्फ एक आइडिया ही है. And believe me, everyone's got one of those. America's well-known director Stanley ने aspiring filmmakers को एक एडवाइस दी थी. Get hold of a camera and some film and make a movie of any kind at all. स्टैनली को पता था कि जब आप किसी काम की नई शुरुआत करते हैं, then you just need to begin. In fact, that is the most important thing. So get a camera, hit record and start shooting. Ideas are cheap and plentiful. सवाल ये है कि how well you execute. So friends, no matter how small you start, what really is important is that you start something that matters. कहते हैं कि life begins outside your comfort zone. As a matter of fact, ये जो आपके comfort zones हैं, वो actually prison है आपके लिए. A prison within which your potential stays locked up. जो लोग अपने comfort zone में रहते हैं, these are the people who live like a banyan tree that's growing inside a flower pot. A seed is very well protected as long as it remains a seed, whereas a plant will always be vulnerable. To sprout into a plant makes the seed susceptible. But what else is the purpose of a seed than to sprout? किसी भी जंगल की नींव उसके सेंटर में ही होती है. And it is in the transcendence of the seed into a plant that these possibilities unfold. वैसे ही या तो फिर अपने कंफर्ट जोन को ब्रेक करो एंड रीच द हायर लेवल्स ऑफ लाइफ, या फिर छोड़ो ये सब मोहमाया. Stay transfixed within your comfort zone and remain stagnant. Don't be afraid to give up certainty for uncertainty. It is astounding how the world makes way for a definite soul and how obstacles move out of the path for a man who is determined to make it in life. Change. The state of change has no risk. In fact, not to change ही सबसे रिस्की है, क्योंकि आप जहां हैं वहां ही अटक जाते हैं. After all, what is growth? Growth is giving up who you are to become what you can be. Life is not a 100-meter dash. It is a 110-meter hurdle race. जीत के रास्ते में challenges और hiccups तो आते ही हैं. Freedom comes not from escaping them, but in transcending them. Keep expanding your comfort zone and thus expand your life. Your success will never rise above the boundaries of your comfort zone. You have to break open the walls of your comfort zone, transcend your comfort zone, and turn your life around. We all know the digital virtual economy is here. You know it's here. You used to see all these brick and mortar business owners like coffee bars, tea saloons, mobile shops, stationery shops, restaurants, boutiques, and clothing lines, or any of these traditional businesses selling their products and services in an offline setup. Offline से मेरा मतलब ये है कि they were and still are having retail shops and spaces and are doing business in a brick and mortar way. And by the way, इसमें कुछ गलत भी नहीं है. It's just that the world is moving online now. आज लाखों करोड़ों लोग ऑनलाइन पैसा कमा रहे हैं. But millions more wait in the wings क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि there are only a few ways to create an income stream on the internet. लेकिन सच्चाई तो ये है कि ये बात बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं. There are many different ways to earn money on the internet today and many different types of online businesses to leverage for this purpose. And I'm here to tell you something right now. शायद brick and mortar मोड के जरिए बिजनेस करना एक ऑप्शन हुआ करता था. But today we have just been forced into a global virtual economy. Right? Being online, whether you are a fashion designer, interior designer, event manager, animator, soft skill trainer, educationalist, a life coach, a business coach, a thought leader, ये आज की नेसेसिटी है, चॉइस नहीं. और सवाल आपके ऊपर है. Are you going to skill up right when it is most needed in literally the history of the world? Are you gonna get there? Are you going to learn what to do online to share your creativity, to grow, to scale, to earn, to make magic happen? Are you going to be that person who shows up right now in the highest time of need ever? Are you going to create the products and programs that you can pull up online, that can give your family security, that can give your family freedom or abundance, that can help you actually participate in this global digital economy? सवाल ये भी है, आप इस इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस में अपने करियर, लाइफ और बिजनेस को कैसे आगे लेकर जाएंगे? आप क्या कर सकते हैं जिससे आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ, करियर और बिजनेस ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचे और उन्हें इम्पैक्ट करे? टू बिल्ड बिजनेस, टू अर्न मोर, टू सर्व मोर, टू इंस्पायर मोर. और हम ये कॉन्वर्सेशन इसीलिए आज करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आज हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. वी हैव अ यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटी राइट नाउ, अनलाइक एनी टाइम बिफोर. खुद को रीडिफाइन करने की, अपनी प्रायोरिटीज को रिकैलिब्रेट करने की, to determine what we really want of life, to choose how we want to serve and be more consistent and inspiring to our teammates and customers than we have ever been. They are watching more, they are following us, they are consuming more, they are opening more, and yes, they are continuing to buy more if we are doing it right. With Indian Design League's high performance influencer modules, we are going to talk about exactly this. क्योंकि in HPI हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर मॉड्यूल हमने तैयार किए हैं बहुत सारे स्टेप्स जिसकी वजह से आप अपने करियर और अपने बिजनेस को ऑनलाइन ऐसे लेवल पर ले जा सकते हैं that will help you build a following of people who will pay you for your creativity, products and services. But before we jump into the actual training module, let us share this with you. कई बार ग्रुप कोचिंग्स और वेबिनार्स में हमने ये सवाल पूछा पार्टिसिपेंट से. How many of you would like to grow your brand or company or department 10 times larger than it is right now? Typically, 99% of the participant raises their hands. And then we say, leave your hands up if you can work 10 times more hours or 10 times harder than you are working now. All the hands go down. Point ये है कि there are companies and departments that are 10 times bigger than yours. And you know, they aren't working 10 times harder than you are. They are just working smarter. High performance influencer is all about it. Working smarter and not just harder. Doesn't it seem smarter to take 12 proven strategies and perfect them than to scramble about using hundreds of different ideas without any real traction on any of them? Exactly. यही तो हम इस सीरीज में सीखेंगे. The strategies and tactics that works in the new world, in the current economy, in the digital world, in the online world. When you compare today's world to the world we have left behind, जो difference आपको दिखेगा वो है clearer vision का. पहले लोग doubts में ज्यादा रहते थे, opportunities थी but explore करने से डरते थे. अब ऐसा नहीं है. जमाना स्टार्टअप्स का है, हार्ड वर्कर्स नहीं, स्मार्ट वर्कर्स का है. The pace of world has now been digitalized. Everything is just a click away, even your business. If you're still thinking, well, I want to start my career and go online and become famous and also earn name, fame and money in the process, but I really don't know how can I do it. I don't know the strategies. I don't know how to start. I really can't figure out which tools to use. I have seen other people doing businesses online and selling online, but I really can't figure that out all of that on my own. I don't even know where to start. I don't know if at all I need to create my own website, and if yes, then how to create a website that sells. What all 5 tabs minimum should come on my websites. Whom can I hire to get one done? How much will it cost? What's the total investment to start my business? Do I need a team? When and how big? Where the initial money will come from? How do I do marketing and how do I get customers? I don't know what to say. How to create brochures and marketing collaterals, blah blah blah. आप आज स्क्रैच से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं and by the end you will have your own profitable business. Indian Design League के इस comprehensive training programs में we share with you the concepts, the scripts, the technology, everything. अगर आप अपना बिजनेस चालू करना चाहते हैं या फिर आप ऑलरेडी एक स्टार्टअप हो और उसे स्केल अप करना चाहते हैं, this program will help you scale your career and brand from one level to another level even in these difficult times of economy and global crisis. By the time you complete this program and implement all the learnings, you will be a proud business owner, as in this Indian Design League's high performance influencer program, we have compiled decades of study and distilled the process down ताकि आप सक्सेस को हासिल कर पाए, no matter where you start from. And you can do it all based on what you are going to learn in this elite training program over the course of time, even if you don't feel confident just yet. आगे आने वाले मॉड्यूल्स देखकर आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कोई भी इंडिविजुअल हाई परफॉर्मेंस इन्फ्लुएंसर मॉड्यूल का इस्तेमाल कर सकता है, एंड द नॉलेज शेयर्ड हियरइन टू मेक मार्केट एंड लॉन्च देयर ब्रांड एंड स्केल इट अप ऑनलाइन. Professionals such as doctors, dentists, lawyers, experts, creators and innovators like fashion designers, interior designers, event enthusiasts, CEOs, entrepreneurs, middle managers, salespeople and customer service representatives, या फिर educationalists and edupreneurs भी इस प्रोग्राम का यूज करके ऐसे यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज ऑफरिंग्स क्रिएट कर सकता है that attracts customers. It offers the kind of information and strategies that are essential for everyone in the trenches doing battle to grow and strengthen their career, business, brand or department. अगर आप एक एम्प्लॉय हैं तब भी आप HPI प्रोग्राम के दम पर अपना बिजनेस सेटअप कर सकते हैं. If you are self-employed or run a small business, you can use the High Performance Influencer program and the knowledge shared herein to launch your company digitally. Generally, लोग एक सवाल पूछते हैं, What does it take to make money? Answer is that it takes a dream, a lot of determination, a willingness to learn quickly, and the ability to use your God-given assets properly. फिर सवाल ये है कि how do you do that? What's the path? High Performance Influencer is the path. You hold in your hand the step-by-step roadmap to turning those assets into wealth and prosperity. Learn, take action, and enjoy the ride. HPI हेल्प करेगा आपको आपकी क्रिएटिविटी ढूंढने में और आपको वो कॉन्फिडेंस देने में जिससे आप एक लीडर बन सके। HPI will show you how to build a mass movement of people whose lives you can affect and help you to find customers who will happily pay for you for your knowledge and information. As Sir Winston Churchill once said, to each there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hours. आपकी क्रिएटिविटी और टैलेंट मैटर करती है and this program HPI is your figurative tap on the shoulder. पता है सबकी कॉमन मिस्टेक्स जो लोग करते हैं वो क्या है? हम में से कई लोगों ने ये मिस्टेक की है एंड वी आर प्रीटी श्योर ये मिस्टेक आपने भी की है और अगर आज भी ये मिस्टेक की तो फिर यू नेवर नो। कॉमन मिस्टेक यही है कि हम सुनते नहीं हमारे दिल की। कभी दिल को सुना है वो क्या कहना चाहता है आपसे? You know what your heart is trying to say to you? It's trying to say, I began beating when you were in the womb of your mother and I will keep beating till you reach the 2. तब से लेकर उसी इंटेंसिटी और एंथुसियाज्म के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ and will keep working till the end. अगर मैं सिर्फ एक ऑर्गन के तौर पर इतना काम कर सकता हूँ, then hey man, as the master of this body, is it possible for you to work with relentless intensity and enthusiasm in whatever you do? I believe I can. Why can't you too say and believe I can? चलो, दिल की नहीं अपने हाथों की ही सुन लो. You know what your hands say? कोई आपको मारने आता है? I volunteer to take the hurt and protect the other parts of the body. I know I can take the responsibility for your welfare and that of all your near and dear ones with the belief I can. So, why can't you also believe and say I can? चलो छोड़ो, हाथों की भी मत सुनो, आपके दिल की भी मत सुनो, अपने पैरों को तो देखो. You know what your legs say? I take you wherever you want to go because I always believe I can. Hey man, then can you also not believe that it is possible for you to achieve every dream of yours with the belief I can? If you don't believe I can, even the higher power cannot help you. If you believe I can, even the higher power will not stop you. In fact, he will support you. So don't let anyone tell you you can't. If you have a dream, simply go and get it. Live your dreams. It's all yours. अगर इस वीडियो ने आपको सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया है तो बस डाउनलोड द PDF sheet attached below in this video and pen down your goals for the journey you have already begun. लिखो क्या है वो सपने जो आप हकीकत में जीना चाहते हैं and make a plan to bring it into reality. Note that down for us and yourself. Share it with us and let the magic happen with Indian Design League. Looking forward to connect with you in our next video in the series, where we shall learn the nitty-gritties of how to create, sell and serve online so that you can help more people and build a lifestyle that's incredibly abundant, creative and impactful.